So Sooryagayathri, first of all, welcome to Parmarth.
Thank you.
And it's been so beautiful to hear you sing. And I just saw you as a young woman. You must be an inspiration to so many young people all across India and all across the world. And so I wanted to take this moment and ask you, because we're working a lot with young girls, and we think that someone who's like you, who's pursuing their dreams and really giving the gift of God, what is God has given to them, to the world. What is your message to young girls?
Actually, that's a very sad thing about that. Some girls are not getting support from their family also, and according to me, I'm getting so much of support from the viewers also and from the family also. But some girls are there now in India also.
What do you think should happen? What should change for us to build a community where young girls are able to pursue their dreams?
Actually, we should change our mentality towards the girls here. So we should change our first of all, they are also having dreams. They are also having their own goals, and so we should change our mentality towards them, because we should give so much of support to them. They are also having their own favorite spaces, and we should give space to them to work.
How did you find your dream? And what encourages you to pursue your dream?
Actually, my dream is to be a musician. So my father is also a musician, so they are also supporting me so much. So I can work with lot of freedom to achieve my goals. So some of them are not getting that freedom also to work on their own space.
A lot of girls in India, when their body hits puberty, it's said 24% of girls drop out of school once they hit puberty. And it's still in many parts of India, 70% in households in India, menstruation is considered something that should not
as
be
a dirty
talked
thing,
about.
yeah.
A very stigma, a very taboo topic. So what should we do to really break open that and allow girls to come forward?
It's also a problem about our mentality from so many years, I think. So we should change everything. We should break that silence. So some girls are now also is there in India. It's a very bad thing about. So we should change our thinking space there, no? So we should change that. And it's not that menstruation is not a dirty thing that like they are thinking. It's a symbol of love, I think. So they are what to say. Oh, I'm not getting that word actually.
And that same blood is what nourishes us when we are in the mother's womb.
Yeah.
That is what gives, if there was no menstruation, there'd be no creation.
Yes. They are creating a new,
That's such a gift.
Yes. So,
and that gift has only been given to the female body.
Yeah.
So how can that be something that is dirty?
Yes.
Or that is a curse? It cannot be, right?
Yeah.
So I'd love if you can share your experience, if you feel comfortable, when you had your menstruation. For example, my menstruation, I was in America and nobody actually had told me about it. And I didn't know who to ask. And I thought that something actually happened to my body where I didn't know what happened. And I thought, oh my God, where to go, who to ask? And it's still, for me, I was thinking, even being in America, actually because nobody talks about it, I didn't know what was happening. And that's why I feel very passionate to work for this. But I'd love for you to share what your experience is.
Actually, I think we also here, we should give awareness about that before at 12, 11 years before.
Before they hit their
Yes. Some of them don't know what.
Most of them actually.
Yeah. Yes, actually my experience was also very funny.
Well, we'd love if you could share that.
Yes, I was in Dubai. I had a program there. So before a half an hour before the program, I was feeling that first time. So my mother was with me. So that was not a thing, but she was scared about that. Even if I cry or something, because of that pain also.
Yeah.
But I didn't do anything. It's because I knew about that before. So it was.
How did you know about that?
From the school and all, they gave awareness to us about that. But in every part of India, it's not getting, I think.
Yes, most parts.
Yes. So because of that awareness, and I already knew that it's not a scary thing and all. So it was easy to manage that situation for me.
So what would be your sort of advice to parents? Maybe you can say something to the parents about how they should inculcate their children with the education.
Yeah, some of them are very very scary to towards it, because they are not giving a freedom to say that, oh, I'm having this kind of situation. So some of them are feeling like, oh, how to say this. So that's why that's because of, I think, the lack of awareness.
Yes. And I think more young people, more influencers like you coming forward and speaking about it, I think will make a very big difference.
Yeah.
A lot of things that we're working with also, lastly, is around like young girls getting married when they're young and not being able to promote, शिक्षा नहीं कर पाते हैं, एजुकेशन को नहीं वो pursue कर पाते हैं. तो वो क्या मैसेज होगा आपका कि young girls should be able to pursue education, not have to get married at. I mean, what are the dangers of child marriage? There's so many dangers of child marriage.
Yes.
And also in many parts of the world, young girls coming into the life, female feticide in this. Once you find out it's a girl, then they try to abort the child in the womb. Those type of habits and those type of social evils that are still being practiced. What needs mindset? Of course, you've spoken about.
Yes. Yeah, it's all because of the mindset. And how can somebody block someone's dreams and their aims? So it's not fair, I think.
And it'd be lovely for you to meet, because I feel like you are someone who embodies a lot of spirituality as well. Jo ladki, when a girl comes into the world, she is the form of Lakshmi. Yes. How can we worship the Divine Mother and treat girls like this?
Yeah, of course our culture is very rich.
Yes.
And it's the best culture in the world, I think.
Absolutely.
As an Indian, we can tell that very proudly. We can tell that. So, but most of the part of India, I think it's not developed about that. Like I'm telling about, the mindset is not developed. That's why. So we should develop our mindset and change our mentality, and we should break the silence towards menstruation. Of course, we should give the freedom and rights to the young girls and young women to pursue their dreams and achieve their goals. They also have freedom to travel, and they also have freedom to travel, of course, to achieve their dreams. So we should give the space for them to work on their dreams. Radha Krishna, Radha Krishna, Radha Radha Krishna, Radha Krishna, Radha Krishna, Radha Radha Jai Ganga.